Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Aer Lingus and your flight crew, we'd like to welcome you aboard our service from New York's JFK Airport to Dublin, Ireland. We are now preparing for departure with an on-time takeoff scheduled for 9:30 this morning. Our total flight time today will be approximately 6 hours, and we expect to be arriving into Dublin at around 9 p.m. local time. We would like to extend a very special welcome on board today to Miss Becky's pre-K class. Ava, Baz, Evan, John, Olivia, Halo, Sloane, Ryan, Mia, Millie, Maya, Inaya, Kenzo, Paige, Luke and Ella. At this time, please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your tray tables are in the upright and locked position, and all carry-on items are safely stowed. We'll be departing shortly for our flight to Dublin, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.